Good evening, friends. There is an update for the new variant of corona, that is Omicron. Omicron confirmed in 12 countries. The world is racing to decode the genome of Omicron COVID strain and figure out how far it has spread. At stake are millions of lives and the global economy, which is still recovering from the havoc wrought by the Delta variant. Data at this time shows Omicron was in the circulation when before it was flagged in South Africa last week. The fact cases were reported in Hong Kong, Israel, and Belgium within 72 hours of the variant being identified, underlying the unwelcome news that there may be many more Omicron cases in the world. Since its detection, the Omicron strain has been reported in a dozen countries, including United Kingdom and mainland Europe and Japan. This week, Germany confirmed its first cases, traveler from the South Africa and Italy its first, a passenger from Mozambique. The strain may also be present in the Netherlands, where 61 arrivals on the 2 flights from South Africa have tested positive for COVID-19. The United States, India and China, the 3 countries were worst affected by the entire pandemic, have not yet reported Omicron cases. International airports across India have begun stringent screening and testing of incoming passengers, particularly those from at-risk countries. A senior doctor at the government-run ICMR, however, told and it is likely Omicron is already present in the country. Researchers are still working on stabilizing if Omicron, which seems to be able to evade vaccines better than any other strain, is more lethal, and crucially if a current vaccine offers any protection at all. They are all checking to see if Omicron is more transmissible than Delta, which is already highly infectious. The WHO has suggested this is the case. It said Omicron poses a very high global risk. If Omicron does in fact prove to be even more transmissible than Delta, it could lead to a sharp spike in the infection that could put pressure on the hospitals, and this is the bad news for India as well as for other countries where existing medical infrastructure is poor and was barely able to contain damage caused by the Delta variant. So this is the small update regarding the Omicron virus. So I'm suggesting each one of you to stay indoor and wear mask. Thank you.